Hey guys, my name is Anant, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download GrowMeOrganic Chrome Extension. So first of all, you'll have to sign up for 14 days free trial of GrowMeOrganic. Once done, go to this automate in LinkedIn feature. Now close this tab and click download the extension and save it. Now open this zip file over here. Now you can skip this part if you're using a Mac. You don't have to do it. So just click on extract all and extract. You're only supposed to do it if you're using a Windows. Then go back to your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using a Chrome browser and not any other browser beside this. So click over here and then click Manage Extension. Now turn on this developer mode, click Load Unpacked and select the folder that you just extracted. Now click Select Folder and Grooming Organic has been installed in your Chrome browser. Now you can pin this over here. And to learn how you can use this to extract emails, watch our YouTube videos. Alright, see you in the next video.